Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishal Malik. In our today's video, we are going to make cooked airdry clay. For that purpose, we will need 1 cup of glue, 1.5 cup of corn flour, which we will use throughout this procedure, and here we will need 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. First of all, we have to add all the liquid ingredients in a bowl and mix them. After mixing them, I will add corn flour. So here I had started adding corn flour in this mixture. Gradually I will add corn flour. I did not add it at once. Make sure there are no lumps while mixing it. So now I am going to take one and a half more cup for mixing inside this mixture. So here we had added remaining corn flour. I did added 1 cup of corn flour in this mixture, but here's I feel we will need to add some more corn flour, so I had added 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and now we will need to cook this mixture. I am going to transfer this in a non-stick pan. Try to use non-stick pan because it will give you amazing results. The glue will not stick to the pan and it will be easy to clean. So keep the flame slow and start cooking this mixture. We have to cook this mixture only for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes you will get the cooked clay. Here you can see the clay start to combine in the center of this pan, and you can check if it is cooked or not, just with the fingertip of your hand. If it's still sticky with your fingers, then we need to cook this further, but not cook more than 1.5 minutes, because it will cook just in 1 minute or 1.5 minutes maximum. So here the clay is ready, and I will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour for kneading this, because the clay was hot and it was difficult for me to knead this. For kneading it in some better way, I had applied some Vaseline on my hands, and as well as I had added a little bit amount of corn flour. So after kneading this clay for 2 to 3 minutes, we have to cool down this clay for 2 to 3 minutes more, because if we store this hot clay, it will create some sort of fungus inside the clay, and that will spoil the clay, as the clay was hot, and it will produce moisture inside the wrapping sheet, which was the basic cause of fungus. So before storing it, make sure that you had cooled down this clay. So this is our clay, which is ready to store, and this is so soft, smooth, and easy to use. After 48 hours, I am going to do a shrinkage and crack test. So this is our soft and smooth clay, and it is very easy to use. So here I had used a mold, and I am going to make a floral pattern to check out cracks and shrinkage test. So let me show you the final results. So there are no cracks, and it will come out of the mold very easily. So this is the other sample which I had made yesterday, and it is 5.5 inches. On the other hand, the wet one is 6 inches, so there's 0.5 shrinkage in the clay, but there are no cracks. So we can use this method for getting crackless clay. Here I had painted it using black acrylic color, and here I had two magnets which I am going to paste on the back side and making a fridge magnet. Later on I had decided to highlight some part of this floral pattern to show you the crackless surface of this pattern. So here you can see there are no cracks inside this clay. If you like, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching.